Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I need to start in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear learners, how are you? I think all of you are safe and sound at home. And in this corona pandemic situation, you are having a nice time at your home. So, welcome to my virtual class. Dear learners, I'm going to start a new topic for you. It is about punctuation of Alim, students of Alim. You can see that I have written a dialogue between two persons, Jerry and writer. It's a very common story. Okay, so here there is a dialogue between two people, Jerry and writer. You can see that there are some sentences and you have to use punctuation marks, okay, in these sentences. So there are some errors here, and these errors have been done intentionally so that you can recorrect them. Okay, you can see that I can Jerry is the statement of Jerry. Okay, I can sow some wood today. This is the statement of Jerry. In this sentence, we can see that there is no error. I can sow some wood today. So at the end of the sentence, it means in assertive sentence, the end of the sentence you have to put full stop. So you can see that full stop is here. So there is no error in this sentence. So come to the statement of writer. But I a boy coming from orphanage. You can see that here I means I have. It is short form. Okay. I contraction. You can see that here is H and A are missing here. So I have I means I have. So you can see that I is here, B is here, E is here, but H and A are missing here. So when you can see that there is missing of any words, single word or any words. If you find any missing word, okay, you have to give this sign, this comma. That is called apostrophe. So apostrophe is used in terms of any missing letter. If you find any letter missing, you have to use this sign. That is called apostrophe. So you can see that here is a correction. One correction here. I means I have. So here H and A are missing. So I have to use apostrophe for these missing letters. Okay, but I means I have a boy coming from orphanage. So it is statement or it is an assertive sentence. At the end of the assertive sentence, we have to put full stop. So here is full stop. So there is no error. Only one error is found here. The statement of Jerry, the second statement of Jerry, I'm the boy. Am means I am. You can see that I am. So this A is missing here. So you have to also use apostrophe. So apostrophe is used instead of missing word, letters. Letter or letters. So I'm the boy. So this is error. The answer will be I apostrophe am. So it is also an assertive sentence. You can see that there is no full stop at the end of the assertive sentence or statement. So here will be full stop. Here also we can see that there is also error. Boy is not error, but full stop is missing. So it's an error. I have to recorrect it. So here will be full stop. The statement of writer now you means actually here you can see that here will be a word note of interrogation or question mark. because this you refers to, or this you raises a question. That means writer makes a question to them. You, that means you are too little. You are a little boy. I'm the boy. That means the writer means to, or refers to, means that this boy is very little. Okay. So here will be a question mark at the end of the word. That means pronoun you. So verb you are means you are. Means you are. So you can see that a is missing. So we have to use apostrophe here. Apostrophe. So you are very small in size. So at the end of the statement or sentence, we have to use full stop. You can see that there is a full stop. Okay, there is no error except this word in this statement. Size doesn't matter. Size doesn't matter. So doesn't, does not. It is short form. You can see that does here and or is here, but always missing. So I have to give or put apostrophe. Doesn't. Size doesn't matter. Chopping root. So this is an assertive sentence, and you can see that there is a full stop. So there is no error except this word in this statement. Some of the boys don't soak well. So don't, you can see that don't, do not. Don't means do not. So don't. Here should be always missing. Here should be apostrophe. So you can see that here is apostrophe. It is an apostrophe. So you don't need to use apostrophe here. Okay, there is no error in this word. So well, okay, I. You can say I. This word has again. Okay, I. You can see that I means I have. So will be here will be apostrophe. Been sopping wood for a long time. So it is from some to time. You can see that it is an assertive sentence. So at the end of the sentence, you have to put full stop. So here will be a full stop here. Very well, very well, very well means here will be, here is the word. This is end of the this word is the end of the, and this is the finding word or ending word of the sentence. There will be a full stop here. So there. So there is a new word of a new sentence. Every sentence, every word of a new sentence starts with capital word, capital letter or block letter. So if you start a new sentence, any new sentence, you have to start capital letter or block letter. Okay, that means every new sentence, every word of a new sentence starts with capital letter. So there, There. Theirs mean there is. So theirs. You can see that there is. So is there is there, and I is missing of is. So you can see that there is. So every letter of this there is have come here. Every letter of there is has come here except I. So I is missing. I have to put apostrophe here. So here will be apostrophe. Okay. The X is, but the word is finished. That means the sentence is finished. You have to put full stop here. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's a new sentence. Go ahead. This is imperative sentence. So you have to put full stop here. Okay. So see what you can do. So it's a new word. So see is a new word. That means new sentence. Go ahead is imperative sentence and see what you can do. It's a new sentence. So I have told you that every new sentence starts with capital letter. So see as will be capital letter. Okay, see what you can do. So this is this do is the ending word of the sentence. So after ending word of the sentence, if it is an assertive sentence, you have to put full stop here. So after do, you have to use full stop or put full stop. So dear students or learners, you can see that we have found here some errors and we have tried our best. You can see that 3, 5, 8 and 10. In this statement or dialogue, in any kind of dialogue or passage, you will have to face 10 errors, and these errors have been made intentionally so that you can recorrect them. So we have found 10 errors here and we have tried our best, okay, to solve, okay, all these errors. So now today in our next class we will discuss a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.